In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Woocommerce thumbnail size. This skill is exceptionally beneficial if you're running an online store with WordPress, ensuring your product images look just right on your web page. We all know how important visuals are in e-commerce, so let's dive straight into making sure yours are on point. First things first, we needed to access the core of your website. This might sound daunting if you're not familiar with the back end of WordPress, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Open your web browser, go to your website's WordPress dashboard, and click on About WordPress. This section might not seem directly related to what we're about to do, but it's always a good practice to start from the dashboard to navigate through WordPress. Next, our journey takes us to the WP Code plugin. If you haven't already downloaded this plugin, now's the time. WP Code allows you to insert custom code snippets into your website without altering the core files. This means you can add or modify functionality, like changing thumbnail sizes, without risking breaking your site with direct code edits. Head over to the plugin section and look for WP Code, or just navigate directly if you have it installed. Once inside WP Code, you'll see an option to plus add custom snippet. Click on this to proceed. Adding custom snippets is how you'll tell WordPress to change the thumbnail size according to your preference. We're essentially adding our own rules to the website's appearance, specifically how product images are displayed. After clicking to add a new snippet, you'll have a few options. Choose HTML snippet to proceed. Despite what the name might suggest, this option allows us to insert PHP code, which is what we'll be using to adjust the thumbnail size. Now, you'll need to give your snippet a title. This is more for your reference than anything else, so name it something memorable that reflects its purpose, like custom Woocommerce thumbnail size. This makes it easier to find and edit later if you ever decide to change the thumbnail size again. This next step is where the magic happens. You'll need to insert the code that changes the thumbnail size. This will be a snippet of PHP code that you can find from various WordPress development resources or WooCommerce documentation, depending on the specific size you want to set. The code will usually involve specifying the width and height dimensions you want your thumbnails to be in pixels. Paste your specific code into the snippet area provided. After pasting the code, the only thing left to do is save your snippet. Find the Save Snippet button and click it. With that, you've successfully told WordPress how you want your WooCommerce product thumbnails to appear in terms of size. I want to take a moment to emphasize the importance of reviewing and testing whenever you make changes like this. Once you've saved your snippet, head over to your website and navigate to a page with product thumbnails. You should see the size adjustments reflected there. If things don't look quite right, double check the code snippet for any errors and ensure you've input the correct dimensions. Adjusting the WooCommerce thumbnail size might seem like a small detail, but it can significantly impact the visual appeal of your online store. Remember, the goal is to make your products as attractive as possible to potential customers. An appropriately sized thumbnail can ensure your products are shown in their best light, potentially improving engagement and sales. Changing the thumbnail size is just one of many ways you can customize your WooCommerce store to better suit your brand and products. WordPress and WooCommerce offer a wide range of customization options, from aesthetics like thumbnail sizes to deeper functional modifications. Exploring these can help you create a more engaging and effective online store. That concludes our tutorial on how to change the WooCommerce thumbnail size. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to experiment with different thumbnail sizes to find what works best for your products and layout. Remember, the most successful online stores are those that continually adapt and refine their presentation to improve user experience. Good luck and happy customizing!